guys, it's Laura. So glad you're here. In today's workout, we have a quick upper body add-on workout. Just shoulders and arms. All you need is one set of dumbbells. I'm using 10. So if you're ready, grab those dumbbells and let's get started. Okay, you ready to work shoulders and arms? Okay, circle the arms back. So you need like 2 more. All right, we're just gonna go the other way. Give me 4 of these though. 4, 3, 2, and then bring the arms back and forth, up and back. This is gonna be a great add-on workout because it's very quick because Terry has got things to do. 1 more, take it out to the side. Out, no notice at all. Out, out, now bring it all the way up. All right, 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Big circle back, both arms. Now really reach back. Oh, yeah, I know. Go the other way. And then kind of reach forward, like you're doing the butterfly stroke, right? The worst stroke, I was so bad at it. If I had to do that, I would drown immediately. Okay, a little bend to side, just to get some spinal lateral flexion. Got to use my fancy words. Last 4. 2 more. Last 1. Okay, so just for reference, Terry's going to be using like 20-pound weights. No, I'm kidding. They're 8. I'm going to use 10. I have been tempted so many times to just go, yeah, they're 15s. You could totally tell. Like, make sure I cover the numbers so nobody knows. Okay, give me a bicep right there, hammer curl. It's hammer time. I'm not gonna lie, my biceps are a little sore. Okay, now flip your grip, palm up, slow down. Up and all the way down, let the arm straight. So you're standing on a slightly bent leg because your legs are helping to stabilize. Listen, you're gonna go all the way up, so up, press overhead, come down, all the way down. Make sure you're not arching your back to get that weight over your head. 2 more like that, then we'll increase the presses. Up, down. 1 more. All right, now bring it up and then press. Bring it to the shoulder only. Press, shoulder, press. Bring it all the way down. Now, thumbs in, give me an upright row. Slowly pull apart together. So let's get shoulders and biceps and forearms. Okay, we're gonna go faster. If you need to alternate your arms, you can. Make sure you're pulling apart. You're not going too high with that dumbbell. 4, 3, 2, go back to that hammer curl, back where we started. 2 more. Okay, slow down, palms up, bicep. Up and down. Okay, all the way up. Press down all the way. And then this one, we're gonna stay up, just like before. Up to the shoulder. To the shoulder. And bring it all the way down. Upright row slow. 1 more, then we speed up. Okay, quicker. So pull apart. All right, 4 more. Okay, we're gonna do an alternating lateral raise, okay? So you're gonna turn up and turn up. Now, if that feels too fast, please slow down. You don't have to go at the speed we're going. Terry does, but you don't. I pay her in banana bread, by the way. 4 more. 2 more. 1 more. Okay, shrug, pull up, and then press down. Now, a lot of times people, they have tight traps and they're afraid to do these. This is actually really good for strengthening the traps because sometimes they're tight and weak. A little faster. Here and then down. So don't just go to neutral. Really press down. You only have 4 left. We're gonna hinge forward and we got the tricep kickback. 1 more. Okay, hinge, press, and in. No, you don't have to. And I'm sorry, I'm putting my butt in your face. There we go. We're very close. Up, and back. We are now. Up, keep those elbows high. Make sure you're not on a straight leg. You've got a bend in the knee. 1 more. Now straighten the arms. Slow tricep extension, or shoulder extension, I should say. Flat back. Stop right before the knee. So you keep that constant tension on the tricep and the shoulder. Let's go faster. 6, 5. 2 more. Last one. Stand up. Bring those weights all the way up overhead tricep. Feet apart. We're almost done. And up. Now, if you need to put the weights together to help you stabilize, you can. Try to get full extension of the elbow. Now come down, go to the top of your head. Partial, go again. All the way up to full extension. Down. Partial. Partial, all the way up. 2 more. You feel your arms yet? Good, because I do. 1 more. Now bring it all the way down. Quick rest. We're going to finish up with 1 last exercise because I think it's time for another cup of coffee. I need it. You go out to the side, bring it down center, back up. You'll see. Out to the side. Out. Down center. Back up the center. Out to the side. I'm regretting my life choices right now. Why did I grab 10? I can do it. So it's thumb up. Keep your torso really stable. You only have 4 more. Nope. I don't see anything. 2 more. Here's the last one. Oh, set it down. We're okay, don't worry about us. Okay, open up. If this doesn't feel good to you, stretch like this, just retract. Yeah, bring your chin down. Okay. Bring one arm across. Just release that shoulder a little bit. I love working upper body though. Bring it up. And then switch elbows. And take it across with the other arm. And then big inhale. Thanks for being awesome and working out with us. Say bye, Terry. I'll see you next time. Bye. Thanks so much for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the workout. Say hi in the comments and let me know workouts you'd like to see in the future. Check out the circuit workout playlist here, core workouts here. I'll see you next time.